It's not gambling if you know where the market's gonna go.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. We are back. Another day, another dollar, live from the BDH. That's right, that's right, that's right. We're back. And I never left. I never left. I never went nowhere. I'm right here. All right, all right. Well, FOMC yesterday, interest rate decision coming out. The Powell cutting 25 basis points. The market basically, I feel like, priced it in. Overnight, doing exactly what we thought it would do. Kind of just grinding higher overnight, gapping up there. We got a big old gap, about a 300-point gap to yesterday's close down there. So it's time. FOMC finally done. The market knows what the Fed's thinking, what they're going to be doing. So we'll see if we get some good action here today. Right now, pulling back there to the VWAP. We've got plenty of time here till the market opens up. Plenty of time. Look at the hourly chart right now. The all-time high now, 24,757. Pulling back into that VWAP level right now. About a 100-point pullback there from the all-time high so far. It's red, red, red on the last 3 5-minute candles. Pulling back here, 9 a.m. People taking profit this morning. But you know what that means? Getting some volatility here. Finally, something happening down there to the VWAP for now. VWAP there at the 660s now. So got real tight there, 730, and then just kind of dumped on down. We'll see if that VWAP's going to be some support there. For now, will they bounce it off the VWAP? Overnight move, pretty big overnight move here. Expect anything. Expect anything, chat. Expect everything. Expect anything and everything, basically, is what you should be expecting. So, expect it. Right now, here at the VWAP, sell, sell, sell. Look at that, just red, red, red. 1 minute chart, just nothing but red candles for the last 15 minutes, so. Oh, where does it go now? The $1 million question. Y'all ever wonder just what's gonna happen next? Y'all ever wonder that? I be wondering sometimes what's gonna happen next. Hopefully get some big moves today. We need some volatility. Get this volatility. No more bullshit. You know? No more bullshit. I'm tired of the chop. Let's get out of this. I mean, I feel like after yesterday's FOMC, now we should start to get some better price action. The last few days have been tough, tough, tough. But we're ready to be ready, ready, ready. What don't kill you just makes you better. You know, what don't kill you just makes you better. Or stronger, or longer. Or one of those. All right, pulling back here into that 24,660 area for now. Right there at the VWAP there, 15-minute chart. We had some resistance overnight here, 650 area. Big move back down from the all-time highs so far. The bears are waking up here, 9 a.m. They waking up a little bit before market open. Gold's pulling back. NASDAQ's pulling back. I feel like we'll see a little bit of a pushback up here off this VWAP level just to build out a bear flag, even if we want to go lower, right? Even if we want to go lower, that you would think, okay, yeah, no, okay. Little pullback, little pushback up. Looking here at the whole market right now, the ES. ES down there, 680s for now. But up below the VWAP on the ES, NASDAQ at the ES. I mean, at the VWAP. What a time to be alive. Little bounce there off the VWAP for now. On the old NASDAQ. Where's the ES at? The sound is very low. The sound is very low. Is it low, low, low? Mike, 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 Mike. Check, check, check. Weck, weck, weck. All right, so the ES pulling back here. NASDAQ, ES, very similar charts right now. All-time high there on the ES up to the 6,720s. You got about a 40-point pullback here into open. Pretty much, well, since the overnight high, we got about a 40-point pullback so far. Will the bulls stampede? Will the bears get their claws in this market? Richard Hardy, yeah, 250K accounts I passed yesterday. Correcto Mungo. Patrick, what time can you start trading with the prop firms? 24 hours, basically. 23 hours a day, pretty much. Pretty much. All right, NASDAQ right there at the VWAP, 660 area. See if we're going to push back up, build out a bit of a bear flag here. We could maybe push back up, try to retest some of this 700 area, kind of like that, and then we make the move down. If we lose that VWAP support. Oh, we got some big giveaways today, by the way. We got giveaways. We got two options. You can win Apex accounts. You can win Funding Ticks accounts. You need to be a Funding Ticks active trader to win a Funding Ticks account, but the Apex accounts are for pretty much anybody. So link there in the chat. We'll do the giveaway here or later on. That's pretty much like 30 accounts to give away today. So we'll see what happens. Get some more likes here on the stream. We got 2,000 people watching. We got 100 likes. The numbers, the math ain't mathin'. The math ain't mathin', chat. It's just not mathin'. It's just not mathin'. All right. Hourly chart. We got this kind of like channel here for now. We'll go kind of like this. Right? Hourly chart in this channel right now. If we lose that channel, well, back down there to the 460s, yesterday's close. Holding up there the VWAP right now, kind of the bottom of that. Call it a microphone or whatever you want to call it. See what happens. ES, the NASDAQ, all pretty much just sitting at the same kind of level right now. We had FOMC yesterday for the interest rate decision. Powell obviously only cut 25 basis points. Will the market love that? Will they not love it? It was funny because last night I was sitting there, man. I was like just chilling, looking at some stuff, and I pulled up Trade of 8. And I was like, we had this big push up, 6 o'clock. We pull back.
Everyone that tipped $2. He shows up for you at everyday chat.
There we go. Everybody tip $2. I'll be rich. But I was basically looking at this area right here last night off that VWAP. Did not get long. Hindsight's always 20/20, but look at that. It's about 100, 200 point move. Had a pretty good feeling that we would go up overnight. Just blah blah blah. Feelings are not money. So right now, seeing if we're gonna kind of build out a bear flag here, right? This big move down back to the VWAP. We got this channel. If we can get that, and then we lose the VWAP, we lose all that. We got a pivot point, 24,600, and then we've got 24,462 to the downside there. So a couple things to look at, a couple things to focus on here. Looks like a good spot to kind of pull back, really. If we lose that VWAP support, so. NASDAQ's, sorry, the ES is already below. ES is already below the VWAP there. So the VWAP there at 6,700. So. It's time. It's time.
Tip train.
Tip train. Shit. Y'all don't have to tip me. It's all good. Appreciate you all just being here is enough. All right. I do appreciate it, though. I do appreciate it. Just the tip. Amen. All right, VWAP pushing us back up for now. 690, 700 level again. Overnight high up there, 762 level on the NASDAQ right now. The ES pushing back up there as well. So we're getting ready. We're getting ready, people. Oh, man. I streamed for... we did the morning stream, then I came back at 1:45. I did like a solid 7 hours of streaming yesterday. Ugh. Solid 7 hours there. Let's hope we get some good moves today. Just give me, just give me some good action. That's all. I'm not gonna be greedy. Just give me a little bit, just a little bit of money. Just wanna make a little bit. Just a little bit, please. Please, Come on, please. Help me help you. Please, 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 please. 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 Please help me. Please. I think like we learned yesterday, or well, not that we learned, that what we talked about yesterday when D-Money was here, talked about the idea of, just really gotta wait for your setups, be impatient, stay calm, stay collective, don't go chasing waterfalls. What'd y'all think about D-Money? What'd y'all think? I'm thinking maybe we bring D-Money back more often. Give D-Money give him his own show on the BDH channel. Maybe D-Money could stream from like 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock every day. That could be a thing. No, it wouldn't be his own YouTube. It would be on my YouTube channel, on the BDH YouTube channel. He'd basically be streaming from the BDH every day from like 2 to 4. All right, kind of looking like that bear flag. It's just hard right now to get short there with the VWAP. We're below the VWAP on the ES. NASDAQ looking weak here, kind of big pullback. Only got back up there to like the 700s. If we lose that VWAP support, we got a pivot point down there, 24,600. After that, you got the gap fill, puts us all the way back to yesterday's close. This whole massive move overnight, about a 200-point move over, or a 300-point move actually, sorry. 764, that's 300. 300-point move overnight. What a time to be alive. Am I still in contact with Greg and Alex? Not really. I mean, they're out there, they're living their lives. They're full-grown men. We don't need to be pen pals. I think Alex is in the stream sometimes in the chat. Yeah, look, Alex, write me a letter, bro. Write me a letter. By the way, we got the big battle. The big battle. Y'all ready for the big battle next week? It's gonna be big. 2 women. 1 BDH. The battle of the sex. It would be sex is if it was a guy versus a woman, but it's two women. So two women trading head to head next week, $25,000 on the line. Who will come out on top? Woo-wee. The question, people on Twitter said, who's gonna lose the most or lose the least? And I said, that's not nice. They gonna make some money. Why not have the girls' pictures on the flyer? I don't know. Ask my fucking marketing team. I didn't make it. They made it. Why are you coming at me, bro? I didn't make the flyer. My marketing team. I guess because my face is more beautiful than their face. I don't know. Gets more views. I don't know what it is. We got some women. We had Alex and Greg. Two boys. Now we're gonna have two girls. This is actually, Terry Trades is actually on My Fun at Futures TV sometimes. You can see here. Well, maybe you can see here. You can't see here. Never mind. Doesn't exist. Oh, there it is. So this, Terry Trades is actually on My Fun at Futures. So they're getting fired up. We got Terry Trades. We got Trades by Arena. Who will come out on top? Ooh, buddy. $25,000. $25,000. Somebody said, Patrick, tell me if I should go long or short. Well, the market hasn't opened yet, my friend. Just relax. Just relax. Give it some time. Let the dust settle. You know, it's going to be volatile. It's going to be crazy. We had a big move up overnight. Don't get overly excited right now. If you're trying to get excited, you just simmer down, boy. Simmer down. All right, simmer down. Just relax, okay? Just relax, chat. You know that you always know it's not a good sign when there's someone in the chat going, Patrick, what should I go long? Should I go short? What should I do? And you're like, well, how about you just chill the fuck out right now? That's what you should do. You just fucking just chill out, boy. Chill out. I mean, right now, I would say I'm leaning towards the bearish idea here, but that doesn't mean it's gonna go lower. We kind of bounced off this trend line earlier, and now we're kind of bouncing there again off that VWAP. The hourly chart, we got a high so far of 762. You got about 35 minutes obviously left there on that hourly candle to close. 15-minute chart not looking too hot right now. How many 50K Pro Plus accounts can you buy at Funding Ticks? You can buy, I think, as many as you want. You can only activate, or you can only have 5 of them funded, or 6 50K accounts funded at one time, but you can like have them, I guess, like stockpiled or whatever. What's the percent for Gap and Go? I don't know. What do I look like? Chat GPT here. Hey Patrick, could you please calculate the percentage of times the market goes up when it gaps up? Liquidated. We're trading NQZ5. NQZ5. And getting fired up here. Time for the market to open up in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Are the girls coming ICT traders? I hope not. I hope not. But maybe. 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 All right. ES Looking like a bear flag here on the ES. The ES is already below the VWAP. So the VWAP there, 97 area. We got a pivot point right there as well. You know, I don't hate the sells. Question, just got to figure out, like, do we get a pop back up here at open and then we get the move down? Do we just go straight back up? It's gonna be interesting either way. Let's see what happens. Either way, baby. Three minutes till market opens. Right there at the VWAP for now. 660 area for the VWAP. We'll see if we get below there at open. 2-minute chart right now. A little bear flaggy looking action. I think if we get below 670 here at open, might just have to hammer it short. I don't know. We're right there at the VWAP though. Let's see what happens here with the VWAP first. A little pop here going into open right now. 2 minutes. Pat, look at the 5-minute chart. I see a bear flag. Am I speaking Japanese? I just said it looks like a bear flag to me too. Patrick, look at the chart. It looks like a bear flag. No, are you sure? I don't see a bear flag. No, it's definitely a bear flag. It's definitely a bear flag. 100% it's a bear flag. We got about a minute here till market opens. What car is your favorite? None of them, man. None of them are my favorite. I like my bicycle the most. It's pedal power. 1 minute here till market opens. Let's see if this bear flag plays out. We got this trend line. The ES is kind of already moving down here. We got gold pulling back. We got the Dow pulling back. Woo! It's time either way. I should buy a Tesla. Yeah, well, I should cut my dick off too, right? That's what should I do that? Go buy a Tesla and then donate my balls to research? Figure out why would a man buy a Tesla and then cut off his balls? Well, that's pretty much what you're doing. Tell me you're gay without telling me you're gay. You drive a Tesla. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Market is open for business. A little bit of resistance there, holding below 690s. If they stay below that 690 level, they should sell it back down. Just got to get through that VWAP there now. Bouncing off the VWAP for now. ES is making new lows already. ES is moving. NASDAQ should take out this low here at the 50s. Yeah, like that, buddy. Like that, like that. Straight down there, the bear flag playing out. Just got to get through 50s, and then you've got 600 down there next. Right out the VWAP again. Oof. Look at that. Oh my lord. What a move. Right back up. Classic. Good thing I did not short there at the view up. Being patient here, people. I got to get through that view up first. I am not playing that game today. Gold's selling down. The Dow's selling down. The ES is selling down. But NASDAQ first minute here. First 2 minutes, just about a 20-point chop. And there's the pop back up. The Dow, the ES, everything kind of popping back up here now. Back to that 700 level again. Double bottom right there at 650, didn't they? Double bottom. See what happens with this 15-minute range here. Stuck below 700 again. We kind of took out those little highs and then, oh, fuck it, eh? Like, part of me, like, my left hand wants to go long, my right hand wants to go short. In QZ, someone said, look at the 5-minute chart. I'm looking at it. I see it. There's that bounce straight up here. Which way is it gonna go? Take it back down in the hole. We gotta get away from that VWAP here. Nvidia having some trouble there at the 175s. NASDAQ indecisive here. Right at those fucking EMAs. Ah. I hate the fact that we didn't even swipe below this low right there at the 50s. Like, if we would have, I think if we would have dipped down into this like area here and then popped back up, then I'd be looking for a long right now, but I just don't trust this like half-ass move. ES swept the lows. Does that mean the NASDAQ's gonna go up now? Oh, come on. I really think we just got to go down before we go up, but I think if we get back below 680, like below the 690 level, I might get short there. Maybe. Do not short the VWAP. Yeah, you're right. Fucking A. Can't do anything, basically. Never mind. No trade. I just don't want to fucking... If I get long right here, it's going to crash. If I get short, it's going to go up, so... I think it's a V. I think it's going. I really think it wants to make a new low here. If it gets through the VWAP there, it should fucking be able to speed up down there to the 600s next. Bounce off the VWAP once again. Fucking A. La 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 la. Five-minute chart still kind of bear flagging here. Nvidia is trying to go down. There's that VWAP again on the NASDAQ. This is where I was looking to get short at. I was trying to avoid getting short into the VWAP there, but if we lose this level, if we lose this level here, start selling it down. Down there we go. Now we're selling, boys. Now we're going. I just fucking knew it was a short. I knew it. I took one little trade right there just for a quick 10 points from the 59s to the 48s. Just to get rid of the FOMO for now. Now we can relax. We'll see if it goes any lower from there, but Some in the chat said it's a long. Well, I mean, why are you typing in the chat then? I'd be getting long if I was you. I wouldn't be typing about it. Instead of typing about it, why don't you be about it and put the fucking trade on? Shut up. You know? I mean, if you look at the 15-minute chart, there's really not the next like kind of lower high is right there at that pivot point. I think we got to see that pivot point. Inner meaning said worried to show trades. No, bro. It was a 10-point trade. I said I was looking for a short. Long, when we were here at 700, I said, hey, if we get below the 80, 90s, I'm looking for a short. The trade lasted for a matter of, I don't know. How long did that last? For 10 seconds. So, if you want me to announce that I'm short for 10 seconds, there you go. It's a 10-second trade to get 10 points. What would you like me to do? Thank you. Now we see maybe if we push back up, get denied at the VWAP again, and then try to move down some more, right? Build out a bear flag here below the VWAP. Still making new lows here. Can we get down there to the pivot point? The pivot point's right at 600s, basically, that yellow line down there. Another bear flag playing out right now. Banger. Banger. Bang, bang, bang. I'll take another little short here on this bear flag from the 39s into this 20 area now. I like that little up 20,000 on the day there. Market's still going lower. I told y'all we are going. No one believed me. I'm just kidding. Told you so. I'm gonna be like the chat. I told you so. I told you so. I told you so. I told you so. Still dripping. Still dripping. Still dripping. Pivot point coming up there. 597, 600 area. I mean, if you're upset about not being able to copy trades, guys, I literally said when we were at the 700 level, that I'm looking for shorts if we get below this. We talked about it before the move happened.
Took that brief short with you as well.
You know what I mean? What else do you want from me? You come to your house and press the buttons? Like,
Love the hustle.
I don't know what else to say. Am I looking to get long at the pivot point? No. We still have that gap to the downside. The trend is down. We broke the 15-minute range to the downside here. So let's see what happens here now. Let's see what happens here now. We got a little bit of support there from earlier. I still think we could go lower. At least take out this low, this 87, 90 area low, you know? It's like it's too easy. That 88 area down there. Bum ba da dum bum. You can see these Apex accounts. I passed these yesterday live on YouTube. These are 250K accounts. My goal is just make $1,000 a day, run it up for 50 days, get $1 million payout. Boom! All right, that's all I'm trying to do here, okay? Okay. Another little bear flag kind of forming here. See what happens. Got right down there to that pivot point on the dot. The low of that candle was 98. That pivot point's 98. Who would have thought? Now we see what happens here with the opening range low. Maybe we kind of push back up to the bottom of these candles. Straight back up here off the pivot point for now. I guess the longs were good at the pivot. Damn. That's a reaction. Look at this thing. Right back up there into this inside the 15-minute range for now. Got the VWAP as resistance. You got that 21 EMA there on the 1-minute chart. Fucking A. Fucking A, boys. What a move. What a fucking move. Right off the pivot, too. Crazy. You gotta love when that. You gotta love when the pivot point just fucking sends us to the moon. Absolutely to the moon here. Wow. It's almost 100 points coming up there. Wow. Wow. Someone's tweeting, someone's doing something. Something's happening. I don't know what it is. All right, well, if we, I mean, fuck, we got the opening range high to get through there and then see what happens there next. Pretty much that 15. Look at that 15-minute candle. Took out the low, popped straight back up there. Somebody woke up. Next pivot point is right there at the 730s. 24,730 now. I did not go long at the low there. Still sitting there waiting to see what happens next. We're back above the VWAP now. That would have been, whew. Getting long at the 600s there. Why can't I ever get a trade like that? You know, why can't I ever just be like, oh, let me get long at 600, then it goes up 80 points, and then I'm going, ha ha ha. Why? Impossible. Why? All right, well, I would really hate for the NASDAQ just to be stuck inside the 15-minute range all day. Wouldn't that just be terrible? This is going to be a bull flag here now off of the VWAP maybe? It's like I almost got to take this trade here. But we are still inside the 15-minute range. Ugh. Nvidia having trouble. Nvidia did not really pop up there on that big move back up on NASDAQ. Watch them reverse this all the way back down now. Wouldn't that just be comedy? Would you laugh, chat? Would you laugh or would you laugh? Laugh now, cry later. Oh, fuck me. All right, I mean, maybe if we get back above that 80 area, we could break out through the opening range high up there to that pivot, 730s. ES is just looking nasty right now. ES pushed back up to the VWAP, got stuck right back down there again. It's hard to say. Hard to say. That is like a, was that just like a massive short squeeze off the lows there or what? That was quite the strong move, but here we are, just right back down there again. 1 hour candle closing soon. Take a look at that. Big wick on the bottom there so far. Don't twiddle in the middle. Ain't that the truth? Don't twiddle in the middle. Don't you do it, chat. All right, so basically ES pushed up. Oh my God, NASDAQ again. What in the fuck is going on? Who's tweeting? What is happening right now, chat? Do we just go long? Is it just long? I'm confused what to do. I'm scared. I'm scared. We're right there at the VWAP now. Someone said, just get long. Okay. Damn it. You convinced me. God damn it, you convinced me just to get... I'm just kidding. Fuck. I mean, that was kind of like my idea right there, to get long on this. But... wait for this new... I guess we got some 10 o'clock news. Fuck. There it goes. All right, opening range high so far is 713 area. This would have been where I should have gotten long right here. Now I'd just be FOMOing into this, so gotta wait for this 15-minute range to break out if I'm looking for these longs. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh, the FOMO is real. Good old trend line works every time. 1 minute trend lines, baby. Someone in the chat goes, told you it's a long. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. You told me. You told, I can't believe you told me. You told me. I have been told. I have been told that it's a log. I like when people say, like, I told you, like I said it was a long as well. I mean, what you know, you told me, I told you. I mean, who told who? Fugazi, you know? I mean, you know, who knows what? I don't know. All right, we did not break the opening range, but the ES is showing some strength here. If we get like a little dip down to the 80s, I might just try to grab a little long here. Like a little dip. Give me like a little dippity dip. I think we could get like a little retest of that 9 EMA maybe. ES is pushing up. ES broke the opening range high to the upside already. NASDAQ's getting very tight here at the 700s. I want to see, come on, 80s. Come on, 80s. Come on, 80. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, oh, come on. I hate when it does this. Like, it just doesn't give you that little dip down, you know? Like, you're just like, if I would have got this 80 dip, bang. Easy peasy, mac and cheesy, 20 points. The two EMAs on the chart, the 9 and the 21. What do you think about the NASDAQ? Oh man, she's a cruel bitch. Fucking, like, why? Literally just doesn't want to dip down there. All right, we're breaking the opening range high now. I'm gonna try along for a quick pop up here. We should get some momentum to the upside here. I'm not gonna be greedy. Just give me a little quick little taste. A little taste of the green. Of the green. Oh God. Oh God. Realistically, I want this thing to, like, I want this 1 minute candle to push right here. I don't, this getting stuck right now sucks. The ES already broke out. So kind of playing into the idea the NASDAQ follows here and wants to push up to at least there's a pivot point right at 32. So I'm right below that pivot point here. Can we just get a little tap of that pivot point? Oh, come on, NASDAQ. Just a little taste. Come on, little NASDAQ. You're at 15 sellers, 15 contracts of the 21s. Take out that 21, push here. There we go. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Push it. Push it, push it, push it. Push it. She's pushing. There we go. Ka-ching! Have you ever made holiday in Italy? No. All right, so in these are Take Profit Trader Pro Plus accounts. These are live funded accounts. We're up 1,907. I don't know. It's crazy how you get like the worst fills sometimes. That's the difference between trading sim funded versus live account. The live account, you get the worst fills. I don't know why, but like some of these accounts get really bad fills. Someone said you blew your Apex accounts. No, I didn't. Well, I did, but I didn't. I'm back. Don't you worry about me. Why does everybody always worry about me? Why does everybody always worry about what I do? Why? I make them back though. I blow them and then I make them back. We're up 20K today on Apex in those PA accounts, so. She's still going higher here. If anybody took that long for the breakout over the opening range high, there you go, there you go. A stripper pole at the BDH would change the game. I mean, we already got one, dog. What are you talking about? What? Look at the, it's already got lights on it. It's already got lights on it. It's not even turned on right now. What the fuck? Somebody turned my stripper pole lights off. Woo! I seriously cannot believe that fucking pivot point bounce. Oh my God. Crazy. Still going higher. The grind is real. I took profit early. Look at that thing. Still pushing, still pushing. Now up there to the 50s, 750s. What a fucking, like, honestly, what a move. I'm very, 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 very butthurt right now that I did not get long down here at this 680 area. Very, very butthurt. I might cry myself to sleep tonight about that. The whole market right now, squeeze it back up. The Dow, the ES, the NASDAQ. What a time to be alive. Also, you can see here, I'm up $11,780 in my live account, my actual cash money account. So on the day right now, you say 20,000 in Apex, 11,000 in the real account, another couple thousand in the take profit trader accounts. We'll just call it a good $30,000 day, right? A good little $30,000 day. Right now, the ES back up there, 6,700. I'm honestly, like, I am impressed. I'm absolutely impressed on how we touched that fucking pivot point down there and we just went to the moon. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. It's impressive. I mean, you just have to be impressed, you know, like, it's impressive. It's absolutely impressive. I mean, now it's just gotta wait for some kind of, I mean, we should take out the 760 area, but like, do I just FOMO into the fucking top here? What do you look at to set pivot points? I don't look at anything. I use the pivot point indicator. Pivots, pivot point standard. Go on trading view, type in pivot. It's free, by the way. Pivot points standard. Pivot point standard, totally free. Anybody can do it. Oh my God. NASDAQ is for sure taking out that 760 area now. What a time. Oh my God. Anybody get long for the opening range breakout there? Anybody still long? Look at that. Opening range, the breakout from the 713s now up there to the 760s. Pat, you should have hold. Hey, JJ Trades. You know what you should do? Just go fuck yourself. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. You know, what do you want from me? Did I make money? Yes. It is what it is. Could I have made more money? Sure. But at the same time, it's like, what am I going to do? Sit here and cry about it and be like, oh my God, I didn't make enough money today. I got to make more money. You know, it is what it is. I don't, you know. Haters are going to hate. Players are going to play. Someone said, go short now. I mean, why? No reason to get short yet. Until it gives you a reason to get short. Nvidia ripping back up here right now. NASDAQ having some trouble, pulling back a little bit. think we gotta like pull back maybe. What do you think? Like 25s or so, maybe? Maybe a little bit more? Before doing something there? I don't know. Market's still just showing a lot of strength, but big seller at 55, 47 contracts right now. Trying to scare the market back down. There you go, pee pee.
I was wrong yesterday.
I think like if we could pull back maybe 720, 715 area, right? Could be another long opportunity, but just kind of waiting for that pullback here. I hate these are like the worst days for me when that 9 EMA is just the fucking. Give me like the 21. Give me that 21 touch down there, you know? JJ Trade said it's a good short. Okay, bro. Everything's good when it's not your money. Patrick, it's a good short. Okay, sounds good, bro. Whatever you want to, whatever you say. Da-da-da-da. God. The chat is undefeated sometimes. Absolutely undefeated. I'm up 30,000 on the day, and people are telling me that what I should have done differently. Patrick, you should have held longer. Patrick, you should have shorted. Patrick, you should have got long. Patrick, why are you not shorting? Patrick, why are you not long? Patrick. Do something, Patrick, do something. Patrick, do it. Do it, Patrick, do it. Patrick, do you trade personal account? Yes, I trade personal, take profit trader account. I don't copy trade. I do different trades on each account. That way if oh, big buyer just popped up there again. Still no reason to get short yet. Still just stuck there. Only way I'd get short is if we close below the 21 EMA down there and put in a lower high. That's the only way. That's the only way, chat. We already took out the London high. We took out the London high. No pullbacks. Big seller at 69. Look at that. There's 75 contracts. Can you see that? They got taken out. Five-minute chart. Had a big wick on that previous 5-minute candle. Now we popped up. I guess it wasn't a good spot to get short at, like the chat said. ES has not taken out the overnight high yet, so the ES kind of lagging right now, but it's going. There goes the ES now. The NASDAQ already broke overnight high, yes. We're going parabolic. No pullbacks. Just straight to the moons. Straight to the moons. Where did JJ go that told me to get short earlier at the fucking 50s? Did he disappear? What happened, JJ? Should I have followed your call out in the chat? Are you gonna tell me that you told me so later? Patrick, I told you to get short. Why did you not get short? Oh, God. All right, finally getting some pullback here now. I mean, obviously we were expecting a pullback. It was just market wanted to squeeze everybody higher first. Now we can see what happens here. No trade open, just watching here. I'd rather sit on the sidelines than blow up my account. If I was looking for a short, I'd basically look for us to break through like 740s, right? And then put in a lower high. I want to see a close below the 21 EMA, that red line right there. So again, pulling back there to the 9 EMA. Got some selling pressure. But there's like buyers and, they're battling here. Some decent size, both sides, flipping. Nvidia just keeps squeezing up. Nvidia up there at 175. Sharon Tidball said, a change in your trading today, Pat. Any reason more chilled? I mean, I wouldn't say anything's different. Just not much I can do right here. We're at all-time highs. You know, realistically, it's just like, what am I going to do? Go long here? I don't know. Making new highs once again. Oh, fucking A. What happened to JJ Trades? Once again, he told the chat, everyone sell when we were down at 760. Where did he go now? Where did he go? Hey, no, it's not how, nope. That's not how this is gonna work. You don't get to spam the chat about sell, and then disappear when it goes up. That's not how that works. It's not, nope, Where'd he go? What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? It's still going higher, JJ. What happened? I thought you said it's a guaranteed short. Guaranteed short, he said. By the way, next week, we got the girls, the battle. The biggest battle in history of trading. It's 2 women, 1 BDH. That's right. It's gonna be huge. It's gonna be the biggest. It's gonna be the largest. It's gonna be big, if you know what I mean.
JJ is busy resetting accounts, rolling on the floor laughing.
Chee. JJ, use the code PW when you reset your accounts, please. Thank you, sir. No pullbacks ever on the NASDAQ. Just straight up forever. Every day, straight up. Never pull back. Buyers are, I mean, still very just fucking, they're putting on size up here, which is crazy. It ain't done going higher, I don't think. The funniest is like, look at these 5-minute candles, right? You get like a reversal candle and then the next fucking candle is just a squeeze higher. That's all that is. It's just the bears getting squeezed out once again. Like, wild, honestly. Up there are the 95s now. $24,800 coming up next. Fairy dust, baby. What do you do here? I don't know. I really don't know what you do here, to be honest. There goes 800. So much for the short, JJ. JJ, come back. Tell us. I need JJ to move to the BDH and tell me exactly when to get short, and then I'll get long where he gets shorts at. Wow. She's, I mean, it's ripping. Literally ripping right now. Fucking off. The crazy part is, like, we are up 200 points from the fucking pivot point at the bottom down there. Don't forget that. Crazy. I don't really know what to do, to be honest. Nvidia is making new highs, 176. The Dow's making new highs. ES is making new highs. We got above 800 for a second. No pullbacks. If this 5-minute candle gets like starts to really get going down, then I think we're good. I mean, well, then that could be the top on this 5-minute candle right now, but we saw that earlier where we pretty much did that, and well, which is funny too, because that's 100% of the opening range here. So basically opening range, 50%, 50%. So bang, bang, bang. We're right there now. Is this the reversal spot? ES is still kind of lagging. But that ES candle don't look very pretty either. Big gravestone candle there on the 5-minute chart. So now we basically, I think if you're looking for a long, right? If I'm looking for a long here, the way I would look at it is like, I'd want to like kind of get this there, you know? I don't know if we'll get that low, but like
The VIX upward slope.
ideally that we could pull back, kind of take out these little lows. These little candles are just like not very sexy. PW, is it 50%, 100% of the orb? Yes, it's part of the indicator. I use the LuxAlgo opening range break and targets. It's a free indicator on TradingView as well. All the indicators that I use are free, by the way. All right, this is the first time that we've tested that 21 EMA in a while. I think maybe like we could get here, get denied, and then we get a bear flag, and then it'd be a short back down. The VIX open upward slope. Been a long time. I don't even look at the VIX anymore, but let me look at it. VIX is kind of popping up here. This is the VIX right now, volatility index. You can see pretty much like starting at 10 o'clock, the VIX starts ramping up here. This, in theory, should mean that we're putting in a bit of a top there now. All right, getting below the 21 now. Getting below the 21. We got 5-minute chart. Yeah, I think like pulling back into that pivot point makes sense.
Super to the moon.
Sean used the 4-hour this morning. What'd the 4-hour chart do? How'd you use it this morning? Somebody in the chat said they used D-Money's 4-hour setup. This candle opened at 10. What was the... You got long at 62? Fair enough. Someone said, watch, we're going to retrace the whole move. I mean, I honestly would not be surprised. At a certain point, the shorts are going to win. You know, you can't just... They keep getting squeezed, but at a certain point, the buyers are going to be happy and they're going to be done. And the FOMO is going to be over. And that's when you get the big pullback. Those, like this right here, like these 5-minute candles, see how like how shitty those like 5-minute candles look? Like this is just like, it's not good price action on that move up, right? It's just, that's telling me that this is not going to be a sustained move. The fact that we have like this nasty doji, this almost like stupid looking candle, and then just a squeeze, the failed, and then now we pull back here. Someone said, I don't find the RSI useful. Not really. Not for what I do. Maybe for like long-term investing, but for trading for 1 second trades, for minute-long trades, the RSI is worthless. That's just how I feel, you know, obviously. Pivot point down there, 730s. Can we get down to that pivot point now? If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Let's blow it up. We got 752 likes. Ding, 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 ding. All right, we're finally below those EMAs. This is the first time we've been below the 21 in a while. So let's see what happens if we build out kind of, you know, a head and shoulders type looking thing where we're like this and maybe like this, and then we get that bear flag to the downside for that move back down there. So someone said, what about getting long at the 15-minute opening range? Yeah, I mean, I don't think that's not a terrible spot to get a pullback, but like I said, we got to kind of see what happens here now. If we put in that lower high here in this 780 area, right? start rolling off here or what? I think she can. If we lose this 58 level, then back down there, 730s. VWAP's all the way down there, 690s. She's trying to roll right here. Kind of built out a little bit of that shoulder now, and we're right there at the 21 on the 2-minute chart. And then all this like price action right here should just get taken out. Patrick, how about a Spanish dubbed version of this show for Latino traders? Muchas gracias. Poquito aquí. Vámonos a 7, a 7, 6, 0. Down. Aquí. 20. 20, 20. Aquí. Vámonos, vámonos. Wee, 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 wee. Spanish dubs. Pretty good, right? Did you understand what I said? Everybody understands. Excelente, yes. Abajo, 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 abajo! Abajo, abajo, abajo! Abajo, I mean abajo. Well, that head and shoulders is playing out right now. Look at that. What do you just look at it? Pivot point down there next, 730. We got the opening range, 713s down there. Can we go all the way? Muy bien, muy bien. Muchas gracias, muchas gracias. I'm actually going to be in Mexico in October. Yeah, I'm going to doing a trip in Baja. Baja. Well, we got right there to the 50s. Squeezed it back up here again. I don't know. Getting some volatility here now around this level. Getting some volatility here around this level right now, chat. Going into the 1050 algorithm coming up. London market gonna be closing up here. The market, the market, the market. 1050 algo. All right, now we're just chopping around here. This is exactly where we kind of chopped around earlier, this 760 area, right? And now we're chopping here again, so. See if this Head and Shoulders. 5-minute chart. I don't know. If I was looking to go short, I mean, I kind of, you had to get short here and just put a stop above like 780, I guess. Right? That like 1 minute high right there, and then this rolls over. The ES is kind of just holding up there. Need the ES to show some more weakness. I think this should take us lower right here. Take us lower, NASDAQ. Nope. Gonna have to wait till after 11 maybe. It's just the chop zone. I need a water. I need a water. Absolutely. Let's go, NASDAQ. There we go. There we go. There we go. Taking it downtown, boys. Take her on downtown, boys. Oh. It is annoying because like normally all these like backside moves, normally the backside move will start to like, you know, move a lot better, but clearly I think we're gonna have to wait till 11. Normally, you know, after like you get a big kind of like, it's like ding, 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 and then you get the whee straight down. I think we're gonna get that move. We'll probably get back down there to the VWAP. It's just the battle it's gonna take to get there. She's fading. It's just fucking fade a little harder, NASDAQ. God damn. Fade harder, NASDAQ. Fade harder. Fade, you little cunt. Fade. She's not listening. She's not listening, chat. Still stuck there, those EMAs, though. The trend is down from here, but just in this chop zone now. Trump daddy's done talking. Like, I would be absolutely mind blown if we don't hit this pivot point. You know, like I would be mind blown at this point. You know what I mean? Like, we'd all just be mind blown. I'd be mind blown. Anybody else feel that way? Just be absolutely mind blown. No, we're coming. It's 100%. It's 100% coming down, boys. I gave you all the plan before it happened, by the way. If you want to go back and look, just go ahead and look at it. Thank you very much for everybody in the chat that never said I don't ever do anything for you. I told you exactly how this was going to play out before it happened. All right? Literally, when the market was here, I said, look, this is where it's going to go. Get ready, boys. Peter said, why don't you get short? I already shorted, Peter. Suck my dick. God, don't you worry about me. Why does everybody always gotta be like, Peggy? I want to make something very fucking clear, by the way. I ain't nobody's bitch. Right? I ain't here to fucking well, never mind. I'm here to entertain you, but I am not. I don't take requests. All right? It's here? My trailer's here. Hold on a second. Look at my trailer.
Peter sucks PWC.
I bought a new trophy truck trailer. I bought a $20,000 trailer. $20,000 trailer. Good thing I made 20,000 today. You know, good thing. Good thing. Good thing, chat. Good thing. We're up to 2,100 in these Apex accounts now. And then we've got these take profit trader accounts as well that are up $1,000 a day there. So that's 5,000. 5,000. I like it. And then we're also up in the personal account. Nice little $14,000 day in the cash account. So we're up 14,000 today in that account. We're up, we'll say 40,000 on those Apex accounts. We're up 5,000 basically, maybe 6,000 actually on the take profit trader accounts. And for anybody in the chat who said I didn't tell you what to do, I mean, why are we here if you're not showing your trades? I don't know. Why are you here? That's a good question. It's a good question. Let's run it back really quickly. Let's talk about what we talked about today. Just, you know, so everybody out there can see, you know, why, Patrick, why did you not tell us? Okay, let's just run it back really quickly, right? Really quickly here, you know, just for all the shits and giggles out there. Let's think about it. Let's look at it. Let's look at this. All right. So this morning, I said very fucking clearly, hey, looking for this to get through the VWAP, tap the fucking pivot point. What did it do? Well, guess what? It tapped the fucking pivot point. Who would have thought? Is it a coincidence? I guess. I don't know. Maybe it's a fucking coincidence. I don't fucking know. Taps the pivot point. Gets back above the VWAP. I got long here at the 700s. It squeezes higher. Ding, ding, ding. There's your fucking head and shoulders bear flag play out there. Back to the fucking pivot point again. I don't know what else to do, people. I don't know what else to do. Like, I have literally given you every fucking trade today. Every fucking trade has been profitable. Every single trade that I've talked about, that I have literally laid out before it happened. Every single one. Every single trade. Every single trade. Patrick, can you explain how a trend line can be a circle? Yeah, it's simple math, okay? Look, trend line, circle. Inner circle trend line. It's a trend line inside the circle. It's a trend line in the middle of the circle. And then it becomes a happy face. Welcome to the inner circle trend line course. There's your pivot point. We just bounced off the pivot point now. We're right back up there again. These bulls, they said, fuck you guys. We gonna do whatever the fuck we want. What a fucking wild day. What a wild day. What a wild day. What a fucking wild day here. Oh, man. All right, so the ES kind of bounced off the VWAP. NASDAQ's just bounced off that pivot point there. decent move back up, but will they actually take it higher now, or is this just more chop before going lower? Look at the 5-minute chart. Hard to say. Hard to say. The Dow's pulling back. The NASDAQ's bounced. We bounced. We at least tapped that pivot point that we were looking for, pretty much. Hmm. 15-minute chart. Holding up there for now. If I'm looking for a long, let me look. Let me think. Basically, what I'd like to see now is I'd like to see this area get taken out. So maybe we bull flag here, we push up into there, and then we go higher. Would be like what I'm thinking, maybe. Right? Like, we basically want to take out this lower high. We take out the lower high, we get confirmation that the bulls are still partying. Well, then maybe it'll be worth it to go long, you know? So. Holy ho, 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 what's going on? Market's doing something. Well, rocket ship to the moon now. Rocket ship to the moon. Market's still trying to push up here. The ES is like stuck there at the VWAP, chopping around. I don't know what to do. I hate like this, or it's like, you know, like, what do you do? Everybody wants the answer, but I ain't got it. I ain't got the answer now. I'd say the answer is probably walking away in the green there. These take profit trader accounts up $1,000 each today. We've got the Apex accounts up $2,000 on the day. How did you identify that pivot point? I should sell. You know what I should do? You know what I should do, chat? I should sell a $9.99 course on how to put pivot points on your chart. I might get rich. You know, like, it could be a thing. Like, I think people would really pay for it. Call it the pivot point inner circle. Circle of pivot points. The inner circle pivot points. Who wants to buy it? Who wants to buy it? Inner circle circle jerk. Yeah, pivot points, by the way. This is how you do the pivot points. Not that. Pull up this. Just go on TradingView. Type in pivot points standard. Pivot points standard right there. It's a free indicator on TradingView, by the way. ICP. Insane clown pivots. That could be a thing. My settings for the pivot points, people say that they have different ones, but like, honestly, I don't change anything. I would say maybe the difference that if you have a different price or a different thing than me, make sure that you turn on the, no, even the adjusted is still fine. I don't know why it would be different. I guess maybe, yeah, even if you don't have electronic trading hours, same. Why would anyone's be different? I don't know. I mean, the pivot points today were just spot fucking on. The low of day at the pivot point, the low of this move down at a pivot point. I mean, you know, I mean, I don't, you know, impressive to say the least. Impressive to say the least. The one thing that I do want to point out, a little lesson here, or something to remember, right? I talked about it this morning. So we had this like double bottom low right there. NASDAQ's kind of just, you know, let it get above 780s first before you get long. So it's like, you had this low at 650. And I'm looking at that like, I just did not trust that move. I'm like, I just was pretty, you know, felt pretty confident that we would pull back, take out these lows before if we do go higher. So just kind of a little lesson. If you look at the ES took out the low, right? The ES took out the low on that opening candle. So the low there was 81, the low there was 82. So the ES took out the low, then she went lower. So I think, you know, something to think about. It ain't always gonna be fucking perfect, but as you can see, I think the fact that like we didn't kind of take out that low is a good reason to not get long here, right? Like I'm not getting long here because we didn't take out these lows down there. Like it's got a trap before going higher, and I think that's basically what we got, right? The market pulled back. We're trapping bears. Like this reversal back up, this is not just like price action, right? This is a squeeze because everybody's short, they're short, they hit the pivot point, we squeeze back up, we get this pullback, and then this is just one big fucking squeeze as well, where it's just like ding, 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 you know, basically the bears are shorting, the bears are shorting, the bears are shorting, and then finally it's fucking over. And that's when we pull back. Remember, the bears they're gonna add liquidity to the market in the sense that like, hey, the market can keep going higher even when people think it's a short. It's creating fuel, right? A short squeeze is basically added fire. It's added fuel to the fire, to the rocket ship. NASDAQ now above this 780 level. So now we see maybe these longs start coming in here. What's wild is if you look at the ES has not done anything. Hindsight is obvious, ... I mean, I don't think it was hindsight. I think I talked about everything I just talked about now in real time. I don't know. Oh. That was for the chat. Okay, let's making sure. I mean, every single trade that I took today, I gave a very strong reasoning on why, what I was looking for, my overall thought process, so I don't know really what else to say other than we green on the day, baby. We green on the day. And see, like now I was talking about getting above this level, right? And then like turning that into support. This is what obviously you don't want to see. We get above that 780 level and then we're right back down there again. So for me personally, I would just be flat. I would just fucking be flat If you're green on the day, be happy with that. Don't try to be a fucking hero, right? You don't need to be a hero. Don't be a hero. I'll tell you one thing, you know, I learned a lot about trading over the years, but I'll tell you one simple thing. Heroes don't last in this game. And I've tried to be a hero many, many times, right? It's easy to want to go for more. It's easy to want to fucking make more. But guess what? The more that you're trading, the more you're pushing it, the more chances you're going to get chopped up, the more chance that you're going to lose. So if you have 2 or 3 good trades in the morning, you make money, nothing wrong with walking away and enjoying life, right? Come back the next day, wait for the momentum in the market. Like right now, it's just like, sure, we could go higher from here, right? We could 100% go higher. But this morning, right? Like trading this morning, it's like, oh, you know, like I got long right there at the high, like this morning, basically. Like when we were pushing back up there, I was like, all right, fuck it. Like there's momentum here. We're going to go higher. I got long at 717 and got out for 10 points. I got short here on this account from the 59s and then took it to the 48s. I traded my Apex account there too, short of that kind of the second move. So people that are wondering, I do trade multiple accounts, but I don't copy trade every trade, right? Because for my sanity, if I'm gonna blow up one account, I don't want to blow up all my accounts. So I shorted here the bear flag. I think we got from 39s, yeah, just another quick 15 points or so, and just riding that. That's all I'm doing. Just little things. Here we go. Now we're starting to push back above that 80 level. The thing that is kind of scaring me, right? Maybe not scaring me, but like kind of making me iffy is the fact that the ES is just going nowhere. I guess if the ES starts to break out here, if the ES gets back above 700, well, then the NASDAQ could push pretty easily to that 800 level again. That's not a crazy idea, right? But it's also, I don't know, you know, for what gain at this point? For what gain, you know? The reason that I have level 2 on my Take Profit Trader account is because it's a live account, right? These are live accounts. You can see the numbers there. They are live, real accounts. So that's why I have that. It's basically, I don't think it's even level 2. I think it's level 1. Is it level 1 or level 2? That's why I can see those orders on the book. So you can see like right now, there's a decent amount of orders sitting down there, 89, 90s, kind of following this higher. If we look above us right now, you got orders stacking up at the 800 level. You got obviously shorts who are probably sitting there, you know, trying to fuck with it. 45 contracts just got sold. Fuck. The FOMO is real. There goes the ES now. ES is breaking out. We talked about the ES. If we get back above a 700, there goes the NASDAQ trying to push as well. The FOMO is real, chat. The FOMO is fucking real. Look at, there's a buyer right there. Buyers are sitting there at the 96s. She's going. She's going. Fuck. I have insane FOMO right now. Like, Insane FOMO. I'm up a little over $40,000 on the day, and it's crazy, right? Like, that's a crazy thing to think about. The fact that I'm up $40,000 on the day and I'm still sitting here with like massive FOMO wanting to trade this. Like, crazy amount of FOMO right now. There we go. Fucking A. Fuck. Fucking fuck. Damn it. Oh, Lord. The squeeze is fucking real, boys. Like we said, there goes the ES breaking out. I'm always watching the ES, the NASDAQ together. Why am I doing that? Because if I see how the ES is lagging, right? The ES is not doing anything. Once the ES starts moving and the NASDAQ's primed to go higher, then you can see, right? Pretty much right when the ES starts breaking out here, that was at 1116. If you pull up the NASDAQ, look at 1116, right? Look how, as soon as the ES broke out, what did the NASDAQ do? It broke out. It broke out. All right. What's Nvidia doing? Nvidia also broke out, but I think there's more correlation just in the overall indexes looking at the ES. Like, if the ES is basically sitting there at a support level, it's just consolidating. Once the ES breaks out, well, you expect the NASDAQ to follow. The ES has not made all-time highs yet. ES all-time high is pretty much 6,720. Someone says we're going to go higher until the ES takes out the high. Probably that's a pretty good thesis, I would say. Good plan, good idea. NASDAQ having a little bit of trouble there. Little bit. Poquito. PW, do you ever think about how I could go for 1,000 points higher over the next month? Maybe. I don't really think about it, to be honest. ES just got like kind of denied pretty hard. ES got denied pretty hard. What does the NASDAQ do next? This is always like a tricky spot at these whole numbers. The 800, 100, 500, 200, whatever. Like a whole number. It just gets like a tricky. It's like tricky, you know? It's a little tricky. The moment of truth. Back to the 9 EMA again. Will they hold the 9 EMA and try to make new highs once again? If they start losing this 800 level, we're in trouble. And we're coming back down. Needs to basically hold these EMAs for the bulls. Oh, 15-minute chart. Some in the chat said this is the big short. Okay. Put it on, baby. Put on the shorts. The big short coming up. I do enjoy the enthusiasm sometimes of the chat, you know, when people are like, man, this is the biggest short ever. I'm like, okay, sounds good to me, bro. Whatever you're into. Whatever you're into, bro. I'm flat right now, looking to see just kind of where this is gonna go. I don't know if I'm gonna trade it either way, but if we get back above 800, we might start squeezing back up there where we got a pivot point all the way at 900, to be honest. You know, so who knows? Nvidia is like bull flagging right now on the 5-minute chart. Nvidia bull flagging here, 176.30s. It's above the overnight high. ES is having some trouble. Trouble there on the ES again. NASDAQ pullback. All right, NASDAQ rolling over here a little bit. Stuck at the 800s, pulled back. They like that 9 EMA there on the 5-minute chart. The ES just kind of ripped back up here. Look at the ES pushing back up. I think if we get back above like 802, I might take a long. Mark Palmer said 20 minutes max is gonna drop 100 points. Okay, Mark. No problem, Mark. Thanks for letting us know early. 24,700 is coming in 20 minutes. Okay. Sounds good, bro. Where do I sign up for your newsletter? Can I buy your course? Can I buy your course, please? All right, Nvidia's making new highs. ES is trying to push back up. Get through that 708 level on the ES. NASDAQ try to push here. Stuck right there below 802, well, 800s. High of day coming up. Are we playing with fire? Am I fuck. Oh God. What's my jewelry guy sending me a video? What's he got? What's he got? A new Audemars Piguet. Okay. Should I buy a new watch, chat? A new one? Mark Palmer said max pain is 29,424. What the fuck chart are you looking at, bro? You idiot. 29. Mark Palmer. Get out of here. Demi and Peter said, I don't trust. All right. Sounds good, Demi. Hey, go fuck your little beta bitch husband or whatever fuck your name, Demi, and fucking coming at me. What the fuck, retard? He doesn't tell us when to buy, doesn't tell us when to sell. Why? Patrick, why don't you tell us? Just dropped 20 points again after your long call outs. I mean, it's not going anywhere. Do you see me long? Do you see me taking a trade? The fuck? God. Patrick, you said it was a long. Well, did I take it? Did you see me get in? No. You did it. I didn't even fucking move it. Patrick, you're up $2,400 on the long. Hey, this is what I want you to do. I want everybody who don't like it, I want y'all just to go, right? I want y'all just to go look around wherever you are right now. Just go ahead and, you know, just look around the room and find something, right? Just go ahead and look around the room. Whatever you got close by, you know, it can be a beer can, whatever you want, and then shove it up your fucking ass. Okay? Bet. Deal. Patrick, you said today would be all sunshines and rainbows. Yeah, well, you know, what do I know? I don't know why anyone would listen to me in the first place. The fuck? That's how retarded people are. People be like, listen to me. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't have any fucking clue. The same way that nobody else does. Nobody fucking knows where the market's gonna go. Nobody. Right? All I can do is literally look at the chart and be like, okay, hey, maybe there's a bull flag. Maybe there's a bear flag. Where's the VWAP? What's the pivot points? That's all there is. I got nothing else. I am literally just sitting here looking for maybe something, you know, maybe something to trade. I don't know. It would be a disservice for me to sit here and be like, guys, it's for sure gonna go up. Right now, Nvidia's pulling back. It's stuck here. It's 11:30. You know, we made amazing money today. I don't know what else to say. Everybody should have made plenty of money today. We had the 15-minute opening range breakout for a 715. All that's 100 points. Just trading the opening range. All you did. If all you did today was wait for the opening range breakout and you got long, or even you bought the pullback, you made money. What do you need me for? I don't need to tell you, hey guys, look. Hey guys, look. Look. Hey guys, look. Look what happened. We bounced off the pivot. Look at how, oh my God, we're breaking out. You're like, not gonna help you. You're never gonna become a better day trader sitting here hoping and praying that somebody on the internet is gonna tell you when to buy and sell. That is the truth. I've been trading for 8 fucking years now, and I have tried everything. I joined the chat rooms when I first started. I went in the discords. I did every possible fucking retarded thing I could do. And guess what? I didn't make any money, right? Because it's a joke. You have to learn to trade on your own, people. I mean, like, we literally made money this morning. We had 2 really good opportunities this morning for the shorts below the VWAP. We had another little bear flag down there to the pivot. I mean, that's fucking 40 points. You had a bull flag off of the fucking VWAP. That's 100 points. You had the 15-minute range breakout. That's 50 points minimum. I mean, what else do you want? What else could I possibly do at this point? Every single thing that we talked about, it worked out. Like every single trade that we looked at, every single idea played out exactly how we thought it would. We talked about the head and shoulders move here for the bear flag down to the pivot. We bounced off the pivot. Now we're back up here. Yeah, I know. You said 15-minute breakout? No, I never said it. I never said it was gonna be never said 15-minute breakout ever. I never said that. I never ever said it. Look, we can go back and watch. Look at this. Look at this, chat. Would you just look at it? Just look at it. Hold on a second. Look, I'll replay it for you. We're watching the live. It's like Inception. Right out the VWAP again. Ooh. All right, so here's the open. Right at those fucking EMAs. Come on, say it. Oh, come on. I really think we just got to go down before we go up, but I mean, that was this morning before we went down. What else? What else should we say? Wish there was like, is there a way to like fast forward just slowly? If I get short, it's gonna go up, so 5-minute chart still kind of bear flag in here. Market's pulling back now, but look, it's all there. I was trying to avoid getting short into the VWAP there, but if we lose this level, I'm watching myself watch myself. I don't know, man. I said it. We talked about it. We had it all laid out there. So. You know. We did it. And I know everyone in the chat's going to be like, look, I told you it was a short. Look, it's going down now. It's going down. 100 points in 20 minutes. Guaranteed, Mark Palmer. Guaranteed. Just guaranteed, man. That shit is guaranteed. Absolutely guaranteed. Well, on the day right now, we are up $2,400 in a few accounts. Got a few accounts here. And then we got the take profit trader accounts as well. We're up a few, little bit. And then in my personal account, we're up 16,000 on the day. So we're up 16,000 on the day in my live account. We're up 5,000 or maybe more. Oh, actually, wait. Oh, there's more. Just kidding. Just kidding. There was another account there. So we got that one. Yeah, I mean. Someone said, why don't I start my own prop firm? Well, see, the problem with starting my own prop firm is then when you guys make money, I lose money. So right now, you know, the fact is, like, if you guys make money watching me on YouTube, I don't lose money. You know? So, like, it's kind of nice in that way. In that sense. I mean, honestly, I don't think this. It's not a bad idea for the shorts here, but it's just. I mean, the ES got stuck up there. NASDAQ's kind of just chopping around here. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. It's also 11:45. I'm up like $50,000 on the day. And I mean, is there a point where you just got to walk away? I think, I think we're there. 5-minute chart kind of playing out again, back down there, 760s. You will still blow your accounts like always, buddy. I mean, cool. That's the nice thing about being a YouTuber. If I blow my accounts, I just get more. That's the best part about it. Even, let's say I lose, I don't know, $30,000 trading. Well, I'm still green on the day because I make like $60,000 a day as an affiliate. So like, you can hate me all you want, but I mean, the truth is the truth. My bank account's my bank account, not your bank account. And you're just jealous. That's all. So, thanks for playing the game, Weppy. Remember, no one knows who you are, but everyone knows who I am. Think about that. Who's the real fool? You know, when you got to think about it, who the real fool? Who's the real fool? Is it you? Is it me? I don't know. I think it's you. I don't think it's me. I might not be sure, but I don't think it's me. I don't think I'm the fool. I don't think I'm the fool. Dude, Mark Palmer made another account. What a fucking loser. God. Fucking A, man. It's wild. Like, I think these dudes have like boners for me. I think they're sitting there jerking off watching me because they are that fucking in love with me. Like, I have never seen just like the weirdos that are on YouTube that are just literally just like they want my butthole so badly that they will do anything they can to get my attention. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's a crazy. Literally, they love me. They fucking love me. Like, they wake up in the morning and they think about me. You know? They are just thinking about me. They're constantly thinking about me. I wish that it's funny because, like, you know, like back when I was single or whatever, you know, like girls would be like, oh, I bet you have so many girls, you know, so many girls in your DMs. I'm like, oh yeah, funny story. There's no girls in my DMs, nothing but dudes. The weirdest thing, man, just dudes. What's weird too is just like, I get the weirdest messages, right? I get these like dudes who message me and they're like, you know, like so angry and so mad. And it's just like, what did I do? Like, I didn't poop in your fucking Cheerios, you know, like. Why you hate me? Why do you hate me so much? Someone asked, where do I make the most money? I make $1 million a month as an affiliate. So do the math. I don't know. I've also gotten over $1 million in prop firm payouts, but whatever. Next week, we got the battle of the sex battle. Terry trades by Arena. We got 2 female traders gonna be live at the BDH trading Monday through Friday, battling it out. Give it to me, Coachella. Battling it out. So there goes the NASDAQ. Look who's back. Mark's back. Stop banning me. We are going to the 700s on the NQ in 15 minutes. Okay, bro. God, what a psychopath. Bro is a psycho. This guy, like, he gonna try to come murder me. Dude is crazy. People are crazy out there, chat. Dude spent more time making YouTube accounts than he did just to trade. Do you get paid per account bought as an affiliate or account lost? I get paid per time. Every time you buy an account, I get a percentage when you use my code. I make no money when you lose. And I also lose no money when you make money. There she comes, pulling on back down there. ES got stuck at the 6,708s. NASDAQ moving back down here to the pivot point. I'm almost done. What's popping? So you make profit on our profits? No. Oh man, 100-point drop. I can't believe it happened. Just like Mark said. Damn it, chat. Damn it, Mark. Thanks, Mark, for letting me know. Thank you, Mark. Thank you. Thank you, Mark. Finally. Mark knew. I had to ban him because the market makers were going to be mad if Mark was here telling everybody exactly where the market's going to go. And I don't want to get kidnapped by the market makers, you know? So like, I just had to do it for my own safety. It's for my own personal safety. I didn't want to get kidnapped. Both the ES and NASDAQ, everything pulling back here now. I guess we found the top for the day, 24,800 level. All-time highs topping out there, so. Topping, tippity top of the market here now, so. Probably a good time to walk away, I guess. How did Mark know? Nobody will ever know. What if, wait, what if Mark is the market makers? Lucid escape. So honestly, you low-key wish and pray we blow up our accounts. No, not at all. Like I said, why? It doesn't benefit. I don't win. I don't make more money when you lose. If you get $1 million payout from Apex, like, I'm happy, right? Like, that's not my money that I'm paying out. Like, you know? How do you get level 2 data on Tradeovate? I think you got to pay for it. I don't know. NASDAQ bounced right off the pivot point again. Mark, you didn't say anything about bouncing off the pivot point. You said straight to 700. Your theory has been invalidated. I mean, here's the thing, right? Like, by you supporting me, by you using my code, at the end of the day, people are going to buy prop firm accounts no matter what, right? So like if you use my code, I spend money on making the BDH, the live streams better, you know, I like invest money back into it. It either way, it's like people are going to buy accounts with or without me, you know? So it's like, if you enjoy these streams, use the code. I don't know. He's not being honest. When you blow your accounts, you turn around and buy more using his code. So the more accounts you buy, the more he makes. I guess, welcome to reality. What do you, what? I mean, you got me. I guess you figured it out. Everything's figured out. Like, people are going to blow accounts with or without me. So like, I don't like, what am I really doing? You know, oh my God, Patrick, you made us blow our, like, if anything, I'm trying to help people not blow their accounts, right? Like, I mean, I feel like that's what I'm trying to do at least, you know? People are going to blow accounts with or without my help. And I mean, to be honest, like, I want to make money, right? Like, I mean, even trading, as a trader, I want to make money. That is 100% a fact, right? Like, I want to take good trades. I want to share those good trades with you guys. I want to talk about my ideas. Like, that's what I want to do. You know, it doesn't benefit me to blow up. Like, it's not a good thing for me to blow up accounts, right? I blow up plenty of accounts. But at the same time, like, it doesn't benefit me. Like, I have to then go get more account. Like, it doesn't benefit me to blow up accounts. I want to be profitable. I do want to make money. I get rewarded by getting payouts, right? Like, so it's just, I mean, that's the truth of it. That is literally the truth of it. Patrick, did you make money? JJ trades? No, I didn't make no money today. Zero money. No happy. Sad, sad. Sad, sad. 20 account. What's 20 times 2,500? Is that money or not money? I don't know. Plus 5,000. Hey, I mean, hey, if you really want to hate on someone, you know what I mean? Like, if y'all are really like out for blood, you know, like if you really out for blood, go after the idiots that fucking charge for discords, right? Like, there's people out there that are charging $100, $200, $300 a month for a Discord, right? Like, I don't charge for this live stream. Jay Dunn makes money as an affiliate, plus he charges for a discount. I mean, for a Discord. You know, Tory Trades is selling a $1,000 course and making money as an affiliate. You know, like, all these other affiliates are literally selling Discords. Like, that right there, that's scamming, right? Like, if I was sitting here and told guys, like, guys, listen, buy my Discord, join my Discord, right? Get into my Discord. Like, that's some scummy stuff. But at the end of the day, it's like, I only make money if you guys choose to use my code. And I easily could have a Discord. I easily could sell a fucking Discord if I wanted to, but I don't want to. And then yesterday we had D Money, you know, bringing other traders in here, bringing other people, other ideas. All the money, everything that you see here, like I've put all the money back into the bit. Like, It cost me $250,000 to build out the BDH. I know it doesn't seem like that, but I had to put a fucking $100,000 AC system in this place because there was no AC before. Like I've put a lot of money back into these live streams to make the live streams better, right? I don't know if it makes them better for you guys. I mean, I think it's better, but I don't know. Mark's back, baby. Dude, I like the fucking commitment to this guy's got, right? I like the commitment, man. You know what I mean? Like this guy, he don't stop. Start a free Discord. I don't need a free Discord. We're doing it live right here on YouTube. This is our Discord. Is this a decent bear flag? Yeah. I don't hate it. But 12 o'clock now. We're right there at that pivot point. We've been bouncing off these fucking pivot points. I dare you to show us when was the last time you got a payout. Oh fuck. I don't even know. Let me see. When was the last time I got a payout? What was the last time? Let me see. Hold on a second. Let me look. Let me figure it out. In June, I got a $355,000 payout from one account. But I mean, you know, I guess I could brag about making $1,000. You know, be like, hey guys, look, I made $1,000. Here's my $1,000 payout. You know, I could post that. You know, whatever. I could post that part. You know, I could show the payouts I got from funding ticks. You know, I could talk about the $170,000 that I made on Tradeify. You know, I could do that, but I guess, you know, so I don't know, man. What should I do? Is 355,000? Is that a good payout, or is that bad or good? Somebody dared me. They said that I wouldn't show when I got my last payout. Is that good? Mohad Twafweek. Let me guess. You're from a third world country. Let me guess. Let me guess. Also, let me guess number 2. I got 2 guesses, right? You're from a third world country, and your second belief is that ICT is the guy who created the algorithm. Let me guess. Let me guess. Come on, where'd you go? Tell me that you're from a third world country and your fucking hero is ICT. They always disappear. I pull out the proof, I pull out the receipts, and they disappear. They always disappear. They always disappear. Why? What are my future plans at the BDH? Bigger. Everything bigger. I think what I might do, I want to do maybe in like December, November, I want to bring in every day. I want to bring in one trader. It can be anybody, an influencer, a viewer, whoever. You get one day to come to the BDH and you get to battle me. $5,000 head to head. You versus me. I think that would be pretty sick. $5,000. Like, you don't have to pay $5,000 if I win, I just don't pay you $5. But if you come to the BDH, I want my viewers, I want the chat to come to the BDH. Like I said, you get one day to trade against me live on YouTube. We'll both have the same size accounts, everything the same, right? You trade, I trade. Whoever makes the most money wins. If it's the viewer, they get $5,000 cash. So someone goes, goodbye. Oh, Mark Palmer's leaving now. He don't like the racism. Don't leave now, Mark. Go make another account. Make one more account, please. One more. Come on. Come back, Mark. He left. What did he leave for? All right, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go look at some property. I'm gonna go look at 50 acres. Looking at going to buy 50 acres so I can have a farm. I'm gonna get me some cows. Patrick Wieland, the farmer. I mean, I think if we, I'm not disagreeing with Mark at this point, right? I think this is kind of that spot that we roll down here now. But am I gonna trade it? No. The problem is, like earlier when he was yelling and screaming about getting short here, it's just like you gotta wait for this to happen, right? You need these lower highs to get put in. Then you're looking for those shorts. Then that short, it makes sense. Back to the pivot point. You know, here it's like, okay, where do we go next? Back to the VWAP. But I just hate when people are in the chat and they're like, when the market is literally right here, everyone's, it's a short. Like everyone's like, look, it's a short. Get short, get short. It's like, okay, relax. Like if I get short right here, I don't know how high this can go. What's my risk on this short? If I'm shorting here at the high of day, what is my risk? Like, where am I risking at? I'm just magically thinking like, okay, 830 is my risk. Don't make no sense. But if I'm patient, right? If I wait, let's say we wait for a lower high here. Okay, lower high. Oh, now we got a pretty good risk to reward because now I'm like, there's my lower high. There's my bear flag. I can go short here. I'm only risking off this high, right? Like that's my risk. My reward is down here at the pivot point. That's when the shorts make sense. The shorts don't make sense here. That's the way I like to play it, at least. I think that's the safer way, right? There we go. Market again, back down on that pivot point. We probably move to the VWAP there next. So that's just the way I look at it. Like, I think this would have been the short, right? That's a bear flag, 100%. I don't know why everybody gets so butthurt. It's like, just because I don't agree with you at the moment, it don't mean I'm bearish or I'm bullish. Like, I'm just like, hey, I'm not getting short just at the high of day for no reason. I got to wait for like something to be going on. We put in lower highs, and then I'm going. So there it is. Oh, Mark Palmer, what happened, dude? What happened to your message? JJ Trades, bro, I'm gonna have to ban you in a minute if you don't shut the fuck up about, literally, I'm not gonna ever do what you tell me to do, so you don't need to tell me what to do. All right? God. Patrick, it's get it now. Get it now. Now. Now.
Tell me that you know you feel it every single time. I'll show that you're the only thing that stays on my mind. Tell me that you hold me and I'll never leave your side. I'll show that there ain't no reason for words to define our love. Oh na na, can't define our love. Oh na na, can't define our love. Oh na na, can't define our love. Oh na na. Tell me that you know you feel it every single time. I'll show that you're the only thing that stays on my mind. Tell me that you hold me and I'll never leave your side. I'll show that there ain't no reason for words to define our love. Can't define our love. Can't define our love.
San Francisco, where's your disco?
Yo, I want to hear you guys. want to fucking hear you, Coachella. Yo, I got a brand new guest for you guys tonight. Make some noise for Tovlo.
Happy 420. Me and Dom have a new song I want to play for you. It's called Cave. I got this hunger. Are you alone? Make me feel better. Fuck to our soul. I can feel my walls coming down. Late at night when I fade. You can call me deep with a line, like a cold sharp blade. I can feel my walls coming down. Late at night I forget. You can call me deep with a line, like my tight dress so good. Don't want your love, but I crave your touch more than ever. Don't want your love, but you hit me up like we never ever. I know all your tricks and you lick your lips, 'cause you know I'm gonna cave. I'm gonna cave. Don't want your love, but I crave your touch more than ever. Don't want your love, but you dress so good. Don't want your love, but I crave a touch more than ever. Don't want your love, but you hit me up like we never ever. I know all your tricks and you lick your lips, 'cause you know I'm gonna cave. I'm gonna cave. Don't want your love, crave a touch more than ever, ever. Don't want your love, but you hit me up like we never ever. I know all your tricks and you lick your lips, 'cause you know I'm gonna cave. I'm gonna cave.
Coachella, make some noise for Tove Lo.
Thank you, make some noise for Dumb Dollar.
Coachella, my name's Dom Dollar. Thank you guys so much for having me tonight. I'll see you again real soon.
I'm gonna cave.
You guys want one more?
Dude, where did Mark go? It didn't go to the 700. The low on that candle was 720. So much for Mark. Marky boy. Marky boy, where'd you go? Is he still here? He's not. All right, I'm out of here. I'm going to go look at some property. I'll talk to y'all later on. Peace to the Middle East.
It's not gambling if you know where the market's gonna go.